Welcome back. Let's talk to Craig Erlam. He is a senior market analyst for Oanda. Morning to you, Craig.
Good morning.
Let's kick off with Brent. The daily chart, Japanese candlestick, lots of moving averages and a couple of momentum. What's that? The MACD. What are your thoughts on this commodity?
Well, I mean, we had that nice little run up and then we've had a bit of stabilisation over the last 7 to 10 days. I think people have been waiting to find out what OPEC's response is going to be, combined, of course, with some of these non-OPEC producing countries as to how they're going to handle things like Libya and Nigeria rising output and see if they can offset any of this. There was a meeting yesterday. It doesn't seem that anything significant has come from it. But I'm just thinking it may just be a little pause that we're seeing at the minute because we've seen this consolidation, but while it's not marked on there, you are seeing a series of higher lows over the course of that period. So clearly people are seeing buying opportunities at higher and higher levels. That's typically a bullish signal. You've kind of got that flat top around 53. And I think it's looking still a little bit bullish in the short term. I think 54.50 could very much be on the cards over the next week or so. Obviously, if we break below, say, around that 51.50 mark, then maybe it suggests that things have taken a turn for the worse. But until we see that, there's nothing really to be bearish about on that chart.
So basically a pause in the uptrend. Just a headline, obviously North Korea, Mr. Trump headlines. What impact would that have on oil, do you think?
Well, I mean, at the minute it's had no impact on oil, which is quite surprising. We've seen an impact on gold, we've seen the yen moves overnight as well, so we're seeing some typical safe haven plays in response to a lot of this quite bullish rhetoric. But we've not really seen too much of an impact in oil at the moment. If we do actually see things start to escalate, you'd think it would have more of a bullish impact on oil, just because of the potential for disruptions if anything does really kick off. But at the moment, things seem quite relaxed.
Understood, Craig. Thank you very much indeed.